Hello and welcome to another special tropical weather update. I'm Adam McDoom for Cayman Hurricane Center. This is coming straight off the press, straight after the update we just did not too long ago. Tropical Depression number 6 has now become Tropical Storm Emily, just west of Tampa Bay. The particulars on Tropical Storm Emily, its location 27.7 north, 83.2 west, or about 45 miles west-southwest of Tampa, Florida, or 50 miles west-northwest of Sarasota, Florida. Maximum winds are now 45 miles per hour. The storm is now moving east at 8 miles per hour with a minimum central pressure of 1,006 millibars. From the previous advisory, not too much has changed. The tropical storm watch has been upgraded to a tropical storm warning, so that's from Anaclot River down southwards to Bonita Beach. And this means that a tropical storm conditions are likely within the warning area, and in this particular case, within the next few hours. And a matter of fact, already parts of the Tampa Bay area already experiencing the outer reaches of the tropical storm force winds. Other than that, rainfall, everything else is generally expected to be the same as the previous update. Just continuing on, updating you on satellite imagery. This is how it looks. Obviously, you can see on the satellite imagery with the recent blowup of convection over the center of circulation, kind of hinted on this also intensifying further. Going onwards to the radar imagery, and this is what kind of really helped to determine with winds and organization that this system has intensified. And as you could definitely see, a sort of eye-like feature starting to appear on radar with the center of circulation located right here. Let me draw it out here. So the center of circulation, the eye of the system is here, and you could obviously see some form of an eye wall starting to form up along here with banding features taking place along here. And as I said, already parts of the Bay Area, parts of St. Petersburg down to Sarasota already getting those tropical storm force winds there. And again, even though that this has been upped to a tropical storm, the winds will be a factor, but much more so with this system will be the rainfall. And again, the overall size of the system is not too drastically large, but again, you know, the tropical storm force winds already extending out to there. So again, the warning areas along here, and it has dipped a little bit further down to the south, but again, not too much of a difference. This will continue off towards the east to east-northeast, eventually going northeast. The Space Coast areas should be watching basically anything from Daytona to about northern West Palm Beach should be watching, as the whole entire area here will be affected by this storm. Also wanting to mention from National Weather Service updates previously that came out that the National Weather Service of Miami had issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Chokoloskee to Bonita Beach. Out 20 nautical miles. That has went on. Severe thunderstorms capable of producing water sprouts just west of Naples, moving northeast. Hazard water spouts, wind gusts. are expected, and that boaters should stay indoor as the water spouts and quick wind bursts can capsize boats. And if you are on a watercraft, make sure that you secure life jackets and get to safe harbor immediately. Um, Again, flood watch is been issued, and it is valid through this evening, and it includes coastal areas of coastal Collier, Glades, Henry, and inland Collier. Periods of heavy rain across the region over the next 12 to 24 hours, and it is expected right through till Wednesday. So again, there's the flooding risk, there's a bit of the wind risk, a little bit of the surf risk going on, and that will continue out through today and going onwards through Wednesday. And then afterwards, we'll be looking at possible threats on the east coast side of Florida, and maybe some surf threat, rip current threat for coastal areas of Georgia, the Carolinas. We'll get into that on a further update. Well, that is it. A quick update from me at Cayman Hurricane Center. I will be back later today with another update.